Let's test your Spanish skills. How many basic Spanish words do you really know? In this quiz, you'll see 50 words and choose the correct answer. Let's test your Spanish and see how many you can get right. Let's begin. What is this? Manzana. Can you guess this one? Perro. What's the name for this? Sol. Do you know what this is? Gato. Identify this object. Casa. What do you see here? Árbol. How about this one? Pelota. Can you name this? Libro. What is this called? Coche. Can you get this right? Flor. Which word matches? Agua. Do you recognize this? Leche. What's the correct word? Pan. Pick the right answer. Huevo. Tell me what this is. Pez. Give it a try. Luna. Can you identify this? Estrella. What is this thing? Reloj. Which one is it? Llave. Take a guess. Mesa. Is this familiar? Silla. What's the word? Cama. Do you see it? Puerta. Name this. Ventana. What's the name? Zapato. Can you spot it? Sombrero. How do you say this?
Teléfono.
What's the answer?
Mano.
Ready for this one?
Pie.
Which word fits?
Ojo.
Tell me the name.
Boca.
Do you know it?
Nariz.
What's shown here?
Oreja.
Guess the word.
Plátano.
Identify the image.
Naranja.
What's your pick?
Tomate.
Can you name it?
Papa.
Look at this.
Queso.
What is it?
Carne.
Select the answer.
Café.
What's the match?
Té.
Is this easy?
Bicicleta.
Pick the word.
Avión.
Do you remember this?
Barco.
What do we have here?
Tren.
Guess the object.
Montaña.
What's the right call?
Río.
Can you say this?
Mar.
Which one is correct?
Lluvia.
And finally, what is this?
Nieve.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.